Hello guys, and welcome to yet another video. Welcome to this full insight, full market analysis, whereby I'm going to show you how I executed my last week trades. Today it's on a Sunday. The whole of last week I had a good execution on my trade. We had a good performance on my trade, and we really performed well based on our analysis and everything. So these are the trades that I'm going to show you, just a few setups of the trades that I took. I don't know if I'm going to tell you and to run you through all the trades, but I promise you that I'm going to give you the best. So before that, let's go to my Telegram channel and see the trades and the performance of my trades. These are the performance of the trades that I took. Okay, here is my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined this Telegram channel, use the link in the description of this video and join this amazing YouTube Telegram channel. Amazing Telegram channel. These were my trades that we took, as you can see. Amazing trades. Let's scroll up. These are my trades. As you can see, pure executions, clean executions on my trades, and yeah, like this. You can see this is my payout from this one. This is the payout of a 50k account that I'm expecting on 1st of December. Okay, these were the trades. You can see clean. So make sure you join this Telegram channel, and let me show you the whole performance. Okay, the whole performance. So weekly recap is here. This week I took a total trade of 8. This is last week now. 6 take profits and 2 stop loss, making our total risk to reward ratio profit, okay, 22 risk to reward ratio. That's a profit of 11%, because I normally risk 0.5% on my account, all my accounts. Okay, so these were my trades and everything, and I'm expecting a payout on November 27th and December 1st. Those are the days that I'm expecting payouts. So be sure to join this Telegram channel. If you want to learn directly from me, also you can message me. The links is just in the description of the video. Okay, this is my Telegram channel, and let's now go to analysis. Okay, let's go straight to our analysis. So here is the analysis. This is the first trade that I'm going to show you. This is the first trade that I'm going to show you, this one here. And today this video is going to be a little bit longer. Okay, I'm going to show you the whole trade, even the one that I missed. I'm going to show you, so that if you learn this strategy, you won't miss on your side. You won't miss. You can trade on your own. Be sure to trade on your own. Don't depend on signals. Trade on your own. Learn the skill and trade on your own. Execute your own trades. Okay, so let's go straight to 4-hour time frame. This one is on I think Wednesday. That's when I started to catch the good trades. So on Monday, I had already shown you the trades on Monday on my previous video. That's my previous video. I showed this trade on Monday on my previous video. So on Tuesday I had no trade. As you can see, I was waiting for this one here. It didn't tap me in. If you know my strategy, this one here, expecting this candle to come into this area here, but it didn't come. So on Tuesday I had no trade. On Tuesday I had no any trade to execute on Tuesday. Come on Wednesday. On Monday I already documented this trade on Monday. Monday trade is on my channel. On Tuesday no trade. Wednesday now we had a trade. Let me show you now the trade on Tuesday, guys. The trade on Tuesday. Let me show you step by step. Today we are going step by step. Make sure you watch the whole video till the end. So on Tuesday we had this one here. This low concept. These low and this the open of this candle here. It's a bullish candle to open at this point, so we are expecting the market to come into this zone here, and then we go direct to 15 minutes time frame to look now for entry opportunity. Do you listen to me? To look for entry opportunity now on a 15 minutes time frame, direct on a 15 minutes time frame now to look for entry opportunities. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame and look for entry opportunity now on a 15 minutes time frame. When you come to 15 minutes time frame, what you are looking for is a bullish candle, to close above this zone, a bullish candle like this bullish candle to close above like this. Then you enter your trade. Wait for 15 minutes candle to close bullish, then you enter the trade. So in this case like this, you enter immediately after this bullish candle. After this bullish candle has printed, you enter at the next bullish candle, 15 minutes bullish candle. Now that's when you enter now on this one here, But for me, I always have two confirmations before I enter: 15 minutes candle to close bullish and one previous 1 hour candle to close bullish. So let's go to 1 hour candle, 1 hour time frame to look for previous 1 hour candle. To close bullish. Now this is a previous 1 hour candle to close bullish like this. So like this. So that's when you enter your trade. So you come to, you always go to even lower time frame to look for your entries. And if this zone is small like this, as you can see, our stop loss can be below this zone. This zone is small like this. As you can see, this zone is very small. I think how many pips? This zone is think how many pips? Let's measure. Like 27 pips. 27, very small pip. You enter exactly at a 1 minute time frame. If this zone is small like this, you go down to 1 minute time frame and enter exactly at this area here. But for me, I entered at this point after 15 minutes candle, then I entered. Okay, so that was my trade. One is for risk to reward ratio. I risk $50, 50 pips and target 200 pips. These are clean 200 pips. Let's delete this and go to the next trade. No, let's leave it. Let's just leave it like this. Okay, let's just leave it like this so that you know the trade that we took so far. The one. So let's go to another trade. Okay, let's go to another trade. And I'll show you the exact way I executed the trade. I don't know if I'm going to show you the whole trade. I want this video to be 20 minutes long. 20 minutes enough. So this was the next trade. Let me delete this one first. So this was the next trade, which happened on this day, on a Thursday, but I marked it on a Wednesday. This high and this close of this candle. Then I marked this zone. Like this. So I was waiting for market to come into this zone. And give us some sort of bearish pressure to the downside, sell pressure to the downside. Okay, so that I can execute. So I went down to 15 minutes time frame. Look for entry opportunity. So when I came to this market was giving me some sort of bearish pressure to the downside. As you can see, there was some sort of candlestick rejection on this zone here. Candlestick rejection. and at that moment the market had already tapped into this zone like this. You can see this this candle tapped here, and the other candle was a bearish candle. So I entered exactly at this bearish candle, here. Yeah, that's when I entered the trade, and a clean 1:4 RR, 200 pips secured like that. And that's how I normally pass my prop farm accounts. I get so many payouts like this. Okay, get some payouts like this. I'm waiting for this payout on this day, like that. Okay, like that, guys, like that. Learn from me, always insist that. Okay, so other trade was here. Let's go to 4-hour time frame and I show you the trade. Some trades happened occurred on a daily time frame, but I just want to show you the sample of the trades that I normally take. But before I execute any trades, I have so many confluence that I look before I take the trades, which I can't just come here and share everything. Like, I normally go to 1 hour, even 5 minutes, 1 minute. Like, so many confluence should be seen before my execution. Before I execute any trade, I always look at a lot of things, guys. A lot before I execute any trade. Another trade was somewhere here. Some trades I didn't take some trade because of my reasons. Because currently this day we had a lot of consolidation at this point. So you can't take each and every trade that occur in this point. So you can see we had that our confluence occurred here, but I didn't take this trade. Another one here, another one here. There are a lot, but let me show you another trade that I executed. And where is it? Had this trade. This low tech is being taken out. This low is being taken out. As you can see, this point. This low is being taken out, and these are high. This close of this candle, open of that candle is a bearish candle. You can see this zone here. We are looking for sales at these zones, but I think this wasn't a good trade. Again, at this point, again we had this one here, had this low being taken. So we are looking for trades at this point here. Shall just combine all the trades. If you don't understand, just come and ask me in personal level. So let's see these trades. Okay, the first one occurred at this point here. This one here. This one was supposed to be a loss, but I don't think I took this trade because it was about 23 p.m. So it's very late. I didn't take this trade, but it was a clean trade. Regardless, it was a clean trade. As you can see, it was a clean trade if you could manage your pips very well. Okay, so trade came here and boom, dropped. This was another trade here that I managed to take. I think it was at this point here. Market dropped from this point here with this whole bearish candle, this big bearish candle. It dropped immediately when it came into this area here. We had some sort of retest on this zone here, but I don't take that as my edge in the market. But you can see the trade dropped from this point, so we are looking to sell exactly at this point here, and this point after a little retracement. Okay, after a little retracement, because for other broker this could be a stop loss hit, and for some this would be just be a good trade. Okay, but I didn't take this trade. Some trades you ignore. I didn't take this trade because of this big bearish candle moving to the downside. Okay, because some of you, I don't know, ICT could take this as an, I don't know how they call this one. supply, like a supply zone. They could take this as a supply zone, and no, I didn't take this trade. Yeah, for that reason, let me delete this, and let me find another trade that I took on that day, on that same day. I had a trade here at the downside. Let me show you the trade. Let me delete this. Let's go here. You can see this trade. Had this trade here at the downside. Okay. The same day here. Had this trade. This low had been taken out. This low had been taken out. Okay. This low this low has been taken out by this candle. So at this point, was looking for buys at this point here, this point, at this point. So we had a lot of consolidation here, and with this whole consolidation, you'll find yourself taking a lot of trades, which I don't recommend. Random trades, a lot of random trades, which are unnecessary, very, very unnecessary in the market. So you can see, the moment this market came here, broke this with this bullish candle, I had this trade here. I don't know how I marked this one, trade. I executed this trade very well. This was a clean trade on a 5 minutes time frame. It was a very clean trade, and I come here and find this other trade here. After this whole consolidation here, I managed to execute this trade, which went direct to my take profit. Yeah, and that's how I execute my trades, by following my edge. I have an edge in this market that I always follow before I do anything in the market. So let me show you this other trade here. I know you are seeing this trade. I marked it from a 4 hour as well. This same trade, you can see the market came and gave us some sort of bullish to the outside, bullish pressure to the outside, like this candle went up and gave us a bullish engulfing candle, and now we are supposed to wait for the next candle, then we entered our trade. So exactly after this candle, we entered at this point here, and the trade went direct to our take profit. As you can see, 1:4 RR, 200 pips secured. That's how I trade daily on market, and I have an edge with this strategy that works perfectly, guys. If you want to join, this is a free Telegram channel, you can join, and if you want to learn direct from me, I will tell you this strategy teaches you the psychology, because it has an edge that works. Okay, it has an edge, proven data. Before you go to the market, be sure to backtest it and test if it really works before you put in your money or trade in your account. This strategy works perfectly. I have passed my account using this strategy, and yeah, it's just simple and perfect at all times. So be sure to watch the video till here. If you have watched up to here, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. Peace out, guys, and let's meet into the next video. That's all. Amazing.